Ever dreamed of the millionaire lifestyle with private jets and fancy mansions? Winning the lottery or marrying a rock star's kid might be the traditional ticket, but here's a twist. You can look the part without emptying your wallet. Skip the lottery tickets, focus on your wardrobe, and let's dive into a quick guide on how to nail the millionaire look without the hefty price tag. Ready for a style upgrade that won't break the bank? Let's make it happen. Opt for classy over flashy. There's a saying that new money talks, old money whispers. Those with new money tend to flaunt flashy clothes, always chasing the latest trends. On the flip side, old money individuals opt for timeless, classic pieces. To exude an aura of generational wealth, go for a stylish yet subtle look. Picture khaki pants paired with a classic polo shirt, layered with a men's pullover sweater for those chilly yacht days. It's a simple yet sophisticated look that speaks volumes without uttering a word. Invest in tailoring. Anyone can buy stylish clothes, but looking exceptionally good in them requires a keen eye, insider knowledge, and an outstanding tailor. While a bespoke wardrobe might be out of reach for most, find a tailor to tweak a couple of your favorite suits. A navy or dark gray suit, when tailored, paired with a tie and pocket square, can elevate your look and potentially land you that awaited promotion. Embrace accessories. Accessories tie your entire look together and can elevate your status. To emit rich vibes, consider adding the following accessories to your wardrobe. A sleek watch. It doesn't have to be a Rolex, but it should look high quality. A leather bag, practical and stylish, but avoid bringing it to overly casual places. Quality belts. Upgrade from your high school belts to include versatile options for different occasions. Invest in quality footwear. Even with the finest suit, impeccable accessories, and wrinkle-free trousers, cheap-looking shoes can ruin the entire ensemble. Research indicates that a person's income can be guessed by their shoes. So, invest in quality footwear and regularly polish them to maintain a classy appearance. Opt for tried-and-true combos. Mega-rich individuals don carefully curated ensembles, blending classic pieces with a touch of modernity. Consider these style combos: turtleneck and suit for sophisticated occasions, polo shirt with a sweater tied around the shoulders for a country club vibe, blazer with dark wash denim paired with Chelsea boots for a sharp look. Elevate your grooming game. Clothing is crucial, but grooming plays a significant role in appearing wealthy. Establish a skincare routine for smooth, blemish-free skin. Style your hair and beard, using products like pomade and beard oil. These grooming steps enhance your overall appearance and project an air of importance. In conclusion, while it's no secret that affluent individuals command respect and opportunities, you can emulate their style without breaking the bank. With these tips, you can convincingly appear loaded and enjoy the perks that come with it.